Hello, I'm Sabrina Octaviani, and I'm going to explain about electrical and ionic conductivity of polymer. First is mechanism of electron conductivity in polymer. The first step is conjugated androsolization of polymer. Conjugated polymer feature alternating single and double bond along their backbone. This alternating pattern allow the overlap of p orbitals on adjacent carbon atom, creating isolation p electrons in conjugated polymer. The alternating single and double bond allow the p polymer to dissociate over a significant portion of the polymer chain, and the solution polymer can move more freely along the polymer backbone, creating a path for electrical conductivity. The second is doping. Pure conjugated polymers have limited conductivity. Doping introduces charge carriers that enhance conductivity. Chemical doping will create such defect in the polymer chain. And then the first type of doping is n-type doping. Adding electron donors introduce extra electrons into the polymer, creating negative charge carriers. Solid like calcium, lithium, and sodium tend to dope the polymer only near the surface since they cannot be used in the film. The p-type doping, adding electron acceptor, remove the electrons from the polymer, creating positive charge carriers or holes. Polyethylene diethylene, polystyrene sulfate can be bought from Bayer as an aqueous solution under the trade name Bitron. And the next is solution. A defect which the change bond alternation is extended over 5 to 9 repeating unit. The charge and spin of the defect will depend on the occupancy of the state. Chemical doping will create such a defect in the polymer chain. Solution p electrons in the conjugated system enable solution to move along the polymer chain. The stability of the solution is due to the balance between the electron interaction and lattice distortion. Solution can travel along the polymer chain because of the solution p electrons facilitate their movement. The mobility solution is crucial of polymer electrical conductivity. The solution electron into the conjugated system provide efficient pathway for solution to move. Next is polarization and bipolaron. Isolated solution are not stable in the polymer. Charge exchange will lead to the formation of SO minus S plus or SO minus S. Pairs will be strongly localized to form polaron. And the two polaron might collapse to form a biopolaron, which has zero spin but with charge. And the two positive charge of biopolaron are not independent but move as pair the spin of the biopolaron sum to S equal to 0. Next is hopping mechanism. In some charge carrier move via hopping mechanism. Here, electrons or hole jump from the localized state to another. The mobility of a polaron along the poly polyactylene change can be high and charge is carried along the backbone. However, the concentration is I3 is not very mobile. A high concentration of contranein is required so that the polaron can move close to the contranein. The charge can hop from the one polymer molecule to another hopping conductivity. Hence, high dopant concentration is necessary. This is the example of dopant. And next is requirement must a polymer to meet possess electrical conductivity. First is conjugated system. The polymer must have conjugated backbone with alternating single and double bond. The structure allow the decolorization of p electron along the polymer chain. Doping, the polymer must be doped with electron donor or electron acceptor to introduce free charge carriers that facilitate conductivity. Charge carrier mobility, the polymer must have structure that support the efficient movement of charge carrier or morphological order. The polymer should have high degree of morphological order, such as crystalline region or well-aligned chain to provide pathway for charge carrier to move efficiently. Stability, the polymer must maintain stability under the condition will be used in such temperature, environmental exposure, and mechanical stress to ensure the consistent of conductivity. Process capability, the polymer should be processable into the desired form. Compatibility with other materials, the conductivity of polymer should be compatible with other materials in device. And next is factor that influence the electrical conductivity of polymer. First is degree of conjugation. The length of the conjugated segment in the polymer backbone affect the decolization of p electron. Longer the conjugation length generally increase conductivity. Type and concentration dopant. Introducing dopant creates charge carriers. The type, concentration, and uniform distribution of dopant significantly impact the polymer conductivity. Crystalline and alignment, higher degree of crystalline and better alignment of polymer chains facilitate efficient charge transport, enhancing the conductivity. Amorphous region, disorder of amorphous region can impede charge carry movement, reducing conductivity. Polaron or biopolaron formation, the process and mobility of polaron and biopolaron affect how easily charge moves through the polymer. Hopping mechanism in some polymer charge carrier via hopping mechanism between the localized state, which can affect the overall conductivity. Thermal effect, conductivity in the polymer can be temperature dependent. Higher temperature might increase carrier mobility by providing thermal energy to overcome barriers to charge movement. Backbone flexibility, the rigidity flexibility of the polymer backbone influence how easily the polymer can form the conductive pathway. Next is challenge in developing conductive of polymer. First is achieving high conductivity, effective doping, ensuring a uniform and stable doping for higher conductivity while maintaining polymer integrity. Charge carrier mobility, enhancing charge carrier mobility by improving conjugation and reduce defect. Stability and durability, environmental stability, ensuring stability against humidity, oxygen, and UV light. Thermal stability, maintaining the conductivity at high temperature. Processability, fabrication methods, developing scalable, cost-effective methods for consisting properties, solubility, and dispersion, ensuring polymer are processable into various forms without losing conductivity, mechanical properties, flexibility and strength, balancing flexibility and strength to practical application like wearable electronics, durability, withstanding mechanical stress without losing conductivity of polymer, interface of compatibility, electron interface, ensuring good adhesion and electrical contact with electrodes, compatibility with other materials, integrating well with other device materials for overall performance. And the next is mechanism of electron conductivity in polymer. First step is hopping mechanism, interchain hopping. Ions move along the same polymer chain. Involves ion hopping between coordinator sites created by the polymer segmentational motion. Interchain hopping via ion cluster. Similar to interchain hopping, but involve cluster of ions. Ion cluster create local region that facilitate movement along the chain. Interchain hopping, ion move from the one polymer chain to another, involve ion jumping across the different chain facilitated by the proximity and interaction of chain. Interchain hopping via ion cluster involves cluster of ion moving between the difference of polymer chain. The cluster help bridge the gap between chains, enhancing ion mobility. Next is structural influence, characterized by disorder polymer segment, provide a more flexibility environment, facilitating either ion transport through increased segmental motion and free volume. Crystallization region, more order and rigid structure, typically raises ion movement, but specific pathway or channel might still allow ion to transfer. Ion movement can occur through defect or along the edge of crystalline region. Structural influence, bulk transfer mechanism involve ion moving through the bulk of the polymer, often occurs materials, ion cluster or channel that facilitated ion movement. The image show that a schematic with ion cluster that provide pathway for ion movement. Surface transportation mechanism, ion move along to the surface of the polymer material. This can be important material with well-defined surface channel pathways. Proton channel are highlighted, showing how ion might move along the structure pathway at this polymer surface. For Grotius mechanism specified to proton transport, protons move along the network by forming and breaking hydrogen bond, effectively hopping from one side to another. Diffusion and migration, ion move due to the concentration gradient or electric fields, illustrated by random and directed movement of the ion within the polymer matrix. And the next is list of the application of polymers with ion conductivity capabilities. First is batteries. Lithium-ion batteries use as solid electrolyte to replace liquid electrolyte, enhancing safety performance. Solid-state batteries over improve energy density and stability. The next is fuel cells. Proton exchange membrane fuel cells. Polymer like Nafion are used to conduct protons from the anode to cathode. Direct methanol fuel cells utilize ion conducting polymers for efficient methanol oxidation and proton transport. Spur capacitors, ion conducting polymer, are used to electrolyte to improve energy storage and discharge rates. Electrochromic device, smart window, ion conducting polymer facilitate the change of in opacity in response to electrical stimuli. Displays used in the device while color change are driven by ion insertion or extraction. Sensors, electrochemical sensor, polymer with ion conductivity are used in biosensor and chemical sensor to detect various analyze. Gas sensor utilize ion conductivity of polymer to detect measure gas concentrations. And measure can be taken to enhance ion conductivity of polymers, such as optimizing polymer structure, increasing conjugation into the polymer backbone to facilitate better charge transfer and ion mobility. Backbone flexibility, design polymer with flexible backbone to allow easier movement. Incorporating ion liquid salt, ion liquid, mix ion liquid with the polymer matrix to increase the number of available charge carrier. Add suitable salt of polymer to enhance the ion concentration and mobility. Creating nanostructure or composite materials, incorporate nanoparticle or nanofiber to create pathways for ion transport. Blend the polymer with other conductive material to form composite with improved ion conductivity. Increase segmental motion. Add particles of the polymer to increase segmental motion and facilitate the transport. Use control crosslink to balance mechanical strength and flexibility, enhancing ion pathway. Enhancing polymer chains interaction, introduce functional group that can enhance sulfation and transport, increase density, exchange site within the polymer to boost ion mobility. Crystalline region, control the degree of crystallinity to create balance between amorphous and crystalline region. Phase separation, engineer phase separation structure to create a continuous ion conducting domain. Next is challenge in developing ion conductivity of polymer, achieving uniform and stable doping to enhance conductivity while maintaining polymer integrity, enhancing charge carrier mobility through the improvement of polymer structure and reduced defect, ensuring environmental stability, maintaining thermal stability at high temperature, developing scalable and cost-effective fabrication, ensuring polymer solubility dispersion of processing into various forms without losing conductivity, balancing flexibility and strength for particle application like wearable electronic, ensuring durability under mechanical stress without losing conductive properties, ensuring good adhesion and electrical contact with electrodes, integrating well with other device material for overall performance, developing cost-effective synthesis method for raw materials, ensuring scalable production of method for industrial demands, minimizing batch-to-batch variability to ensure consistent performance, implementing robust quality to control the measure to maintain the desired property, developing polymer with properties sterile specific application of photovoltaic and sensor, ensuring the effective integration to device of compressing performance. That's all from me. I'm sorry if there is any mistake, and thank you so much.